Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on Motorola Moto E32s. So first we should launch the Google app and then tap on the right upper corner. Then click to the settings, tap to voice section and click to voice match. Just to activate Hey Google feature, click once on the switcher, tap to next, more, click to yes I agree, and once again to the next, not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe for our channel.